On this video, we learn how to create a pattern brush. Makes it possible to create a repeated pattern along a path. I first create the elements of the pattern. I create a drop form from an ellipse that is on its side. I then copy and scale this so that I have different size drops next to each other. Now one part of the pattern is made. I select the forms and tell them to become a pattern brush. I open the brush menu and click on the symbol of New. And then select the pattern brush. I click OK on the menu and I have a new brush tip. I create a path with a pen tool, add a stroke color to it, and then select the new brush from the brush menu. The pattern is now following the path. I don't want the small drop to hit the big drop when the pattern is repeated. I would also like to change the color of these drops. I make both of these changes to the brush. Open the brush menu and double-click on the brush tip. From these options, I add some spacing. 10% of the width of the pattern might be good. I also want the color to change. I change the colorization method to tints. I click OK and I want to apply these changes to the existing paths. Now I have a brush looking like this. The pattern can be more complex. The most important thing is to align the ends. Later on, if I want, I can change these paths to forms. From Object, expand Appearance.